Now, this is normally our checkout time, and we're coming up against an Icelandic side who are galvanised. You know, I mean, there's 330,000 people in their country wanting them to do well. They've got here for me on good play.
I think that's why maybe he's picked Kane over Vardy, just in the fact that there won't be any space behind to run. I think Kane, you know, he's clinical.
Although they do cause teams problems with the way they play. They play a 4-4-2, really solid. We've seen them very strong, very fit. Fitness-wise, they're in a tournament now. It's completely different.